If I had to describe my cooking style, it would be organic and familiar, but with a touch of elegance. I have a huge appreciation for butter, specifically high quality butter. I've been cooking for 15 years and you can just tell a difference. If you make a brioche or anything else with a low quality butter versus a high quality butter, the difference is massive. I only use high quality ingredients, from the vegetables I use to the flours to locally grown fruit that's in season, that's perfectly ripe. I just love working with European butter. It is the absolute pinnacle of quality. This is a traditional French tart. The tart shell is filled with a peach jam and almond cream. The top is all stone fruit because right now the stone fruit is so in season and you can get all of it just beautifully ripe, and just a little whipped chantilly on top. Butter as an ingredient is integral in everything we do. French butter for me is the ultimate in butter. Naturally, it's got a much higher butter fat content, which means your end result in baking or cooking is you get better mouthfeel, better flavor, bolder flavor, and better yield from your butter. If you have butter with too high a water ratio inside of it, you're not going to get the same result. It's often forgotten, which is unfortunate, but most people taste it without even knowing it's there, or they feel it on their palate. And what makes that dish the difference between moderate and exceptional is the butter. This is my take on a crepe Suzette. Instead of oranges, I use figs and fennel. So inside each crepe is a cream cheese frosting made with French butter. Underneath that is a fig jam, and on the bottom is a fig leaf that I've created actually an impression of with white chocolate and then airbrushed.